In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL select from. See, select from a table. To select from a table in MySQL, use the select statement. Select all records from the customers table and display the result. Now, we are using select from customers. See here, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. See, all the customers were selected. Now, use the fetch all method, which fetches all rows from the last executed statement. Selecting columns. To select only some of the columns in a table, use the select statement followed by a column name. Select only the name and address columns. See, now we are selecting select name address from customers. See, now only name and address was selected. Using a fetch one method. If you are only interested in one row, you can use the fetch one method. The fetch one method will return the first row of the result. See the example, fetch only one row. See, by writing and executing this code using select from customers, my cursor dot fetch one. See, by writing and executing this code, only one result printed, one Gita highway. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 Python MySQL select from. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MySQL where. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.